This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the code and resources. Open Android Studio and create a module for the widget. Add an app widget provider info XML in res/XML to declare the default size, update period millis, and preview. Create the app widget provider subclass and register it in Android manifest with the correct intent filter for action app widget update. Once done, wire a basic layout in res/layout for the widget UI. This is where you'll control remote views and user-facing elements. You now implement the widget's behavior and link the layout to code. Instantiate remote views and update the view hierarchy using methods like setTextViewText and set on click pending intent. For periodic work, choose Work Manager or Job Scheduler over frequent alarms. This preserves battery and adheres to DOS. Implement on update on receive, and on app widget options change to respond to clicks and resizes. Once done, make sure to update the widget via App Widget Manager so the UI reflects state changes immediately. You finish by polishing, packaging, and debugging the widget, verify previews and resizing across API levels and density buckets, and sign the app for release. Optimize by moving heavy tasks to background workers and caching responses to reduce network calls. Once done, deploy to a test device or emulator and monitor Logcat for app widget service and pending intent errors. If things go wrong, first check pending intent uniqueness and manifest registration. Then confirm update period and Work Manager constraints are configured correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.